All right, hello everyone and welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this IPO review. I understand that lately, 2023, initial public offerings have really not been great at all, right? And it turned off a lot of people. A lot of people have not been paying attention to IPOs. So far though, the last couple of IPOs, there's been about 3-4 IPOs lately that have been exploding, have been doing very well. JL did very well. Ticker symbol RR did very well. Those were both $4 or $5 IPOs that you could have pre-ordered, and they more than doubled. Who else did very well? There was another one, I forget. Anyways, there was another one, I forget. There was definitely a third one. And there was also this one. This was a YouTube video, guys, that I had done right here. And the thumbnail said, let's make money. Keep an eye on these stocks. Money makers, right? So that was the video. It was 6 days ago, and in that video, guys, I reviewed an initial public offering that was available for pre-order at 17 US dollars, 17 bucks available for pre-order, right? Now I know 17 bucks sometimes is something that scares people to pre-order, right? If it's a Chinese, company that's that's unknown and the financials are not that great, pre-ordering it for 17 bucks, I think would be crazy. But this was a good company, and I explained the reasons why and so on. That stock is currently, right now, guys, just within 6 days of trading on the stock market, the stock is at 35 US dollars. Another IPO that did very well. In this video, I'm going to review to you the next IPO that only has a 350K offering. They're only going to offer 350,000 shares. That's it. Super tiny float. It is also in the pharmaceutical industry, just like CG Oncology, which went crazy, right? Now, 350,000 shares. It is available for pre-order right now at 20 US dollars. Will this be a good pre-order? Will it double? Will it go up crazy like CG Oncology did, right? Or will it be a ripoff? Let's find out if it's going to be a ripoff or a good one. So, BioLingus Limited has filed for a $46 million IPO. This company is in a clinical stage, and I would say the early clinical stage, right? People don't think this is phase 3 like CG Oncology was. This is early preclinical, and the company is developing under-the-tongue delivery of a drug for the treatment of diabetes. Now, this sounds promising, and it's in phase 1B going to phase 2A. So not having to inject yourself with insulin would be awesome, right? It's something you put under the tongue, something like a film, and that would help the diabetes patients. So that's really awesome, sounds great. But there's already a company out there that's working on the same thing, but with a pill. And that is Oramed. We've covered Oramed many times before. Every time that I covered Oramed on my YouTube channel, it always went up at least 50% after that. So I've been very lucky with that one. Oramed though did fail in their phase 3 last year. So their phase 3 results failed, the stock tanked, and now it's trying to make another comeback in Hong Kong, which is very interesting because this company, BioLingus, is also focusing their studies in Hong Kong, China. So this is a Switzerland-based company, and it was founded to develop an oral delivered drug for the treatment of diabetes. Management is headed by co-founder and chairman and CEO, Mr. Yves Decat, who has been with the company since the beginning. He was previously the CEO of Medimetrics, a Philips spin-off, and so that gives him a lot of, at least he has a good background. He was also vice president of business development at Sky Pharma. So the firm's lead product, guys, is in phase 1B/2A. The study is in Hong Kong with patients with type 2 diabetes. And the technologies are validated by initial trials, says the company. Management plans to out-license its IP to major pharmaceutical companies and later stage studies by licensing partners for their drug programs. Here we can see the pipeline of the company. So it's phase 1B, the rest is just preclinical. All right, so let's focus on whether this is good to pre-order. First of all, the pre-order price is 20 bucks. Is this worth 20 bucks? Well, you shouldn't look at it as strictly the US dollar amount, right? Because it's 20 US dollars based on 350,000 shares that they're offering. That's all. So that really comes out to roughly what, $7.5 million IPO deal. Is this company worth $7.5 million IPO deal? Are they worth that? In my opinion, they are not, because they're totally 100% unproven and preclinical, right? So they're definitely not that, and they're definitely burning cash and they need money and all that. But would it go up on day one, just as let's say pre-order and sell on day one. Because CG Oncology did very well and it was recent and it's still in the recent memory of investors, I feel that they might give this a shot, thinking that, you know what, here's another pharmaceutical company, sounds catchy what they got, you know what they're working on, and it's 350,000 shares, and the underwriter is Univa Securities, so let's give it a go. And I think it's going to do well, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. Don't trade according to my opinion, guys, because I'm not perfect. If I was perfect, you know, I'd be richer than Bill Gates or Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk if I was perfect, but I'm not. So that's that. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you're going to pre-order this, and I wish you guys all the best. Take care.